Now we'll get started with the NCERT problems of exercise 7.2. Okay. So here the first question is integral of 2x divided by 1 plus x square, right? So always write the question as integral of 2x divided by 1 plus x square times dx, right? So we need to solve this using the substitution method. Like, see, the logic for solving any integration based problem is eliminating the denominator. Now, if there is a possibility, whenever you have a fraction, right, you always look at what would be the relation between the denominator and the numerator. If you observe in this question, 1 plus x square, it's a second degree equation, and the numerator is a first degree equation, which is 2x, right? So, for you to convert a second degree equation to first degree equation, we need to differentiate. So that gives us an idea that we need to substitute 1 plus x square as t. Right? Now we need to start differentiating on both the sides with respect to t. So when I do that, derivative of 1 is 0 plus derivative of x square is 2x into dx divided by dt is equal to derivative of t is 1. So from this step, I can say 2x into dx. 2x into dx is equal to 1 into dt. So dt will go to the other side, right? So having said this, wherever we have 1 plus x square, I'll replace it with t. And wherever we have 2x dx, we'll replace it with dt. So hence, in this question, 2x dx is replaced with dt and 1 plus x square is replaced with t. Now integrating this. We know that the integral of 1 by t or 1 by x for that matter. So in this case, it is 1 by t is going to be log of mod t plus c. So from this, we can say answer is going to be log of mod. We need to substitute back the value of t. So t is 1 plus x square plus c. So the final answer is log of mod 1 plus x square plus c, right?